we laugh when we hear about the characteristics or the vyavahara, whatever they call it, of the monkey. But the real joke is on us, because the biggest monkey is sitting on our shoulders. The biggest monkey is sitting on our shoulders, and who is it? It's monkey me. Monkey me. And it's the mind, the monkey of the mind. So when we sit and chant japa, we don't stay, our mind doesn't stay in one place for 90 seconds either. And then it goes, it goes from the lila to the pizza to the metro, and back to the, to that. It's amazing. So that's why we try to introduce so many different ideas and techniques borrowed from different directions and different disciplines, to give devotees a chance to find that place, that arrangement, wherein when they utilize that arrangement and chant japa, they get such a divine experience, and they don't need any more arrangements anymore. Cave japa, and we're always coming up with some new invention for the increase in the japa. If anyone's ever been with me for some time, they can see basically there's only one way to drink a glass of water, like this. You can invent some new ways to do it and hang a cup by it with a police system and all. There's a lot of ways. So basically sitting down in front of Thakurji or in a lilas stali, or creating one in your brain, nicely chanting the holy name with a pure mind and clear heart. This is the way. Always was the way, always is the way, always will be the way. There's no other way. But somehow in this age of complication and complexity, we're not able to do the simple things. That's why it was such an intriguing slogan, that really we didn't know much philosophy, and we didn't learn much philosophy, but certain catchy phrases, they stuck with us, and they have their own philosophical import also, if you can draw something from them, which you can. For example, one phrase is simple living, high thinking. And you get a lot of mileage out of that. That's something that rather captured my small p brain when I came in association with Srila Prabhupada. Because everywhere we saw in America, everyone was living very high on the hog, as they say. High living and thinking, I wonder what they were thinking. Their thinking and the dog's thinking are about parallel. Ahara nidra maitam bhayam. So the whole idea was very attractive. Simple living, high thinking, because not only was this one of the theme songs of the revolution that I was part of in the 60s and 70s worldwide, that was part of our idea, our ideology rather. Back to nature, simple living. Get away from the fast everything and the instant. Get away from the plastic everything and the instant everything and the fast everything. And get away from the new improved everything. And go back to the old original ways. Natural foods. That phrase has gone far as you can go in so many ways. Organic foods, natural foods. Even they had cartoon characters, they were named Mr. Natural. There was one guy who was named Mr. Natural, one of the famous cartoon heroes of the 70s, hippie cartoons. So this is the point of Ekachakra. It's simple living. Prabhupada once said that just see Nanda Baba, how wealthy and rich he was. And all he was doing was taking care of cows, producing a little ghee. And we read the descriptions of his wives and the people in Nanda Braj were all wearing silk clothes and eating on golden plates and distributing them to the bards and minstrels after the theatrical performances. So that all the opulences and all the good things just by taking care of the cows.